Hello guys, welcome to Future Technical, and in this video we are going to solve PHP session variable not working on web host. So let's start this video. So this is my website that is running on web host. So I have having problem with this websites. So let's open this websites. And here you can see when I click on this purchase, I got this error. Undefined index, customer name, customer address and customer phone. So this all are the session variable. So we are having problem with session variable. It means session variable is not working on web host. So in order to solve this error, you just have to go to this page and you have to go to manage website. And after that, go to tools, and here you have to go to file manager and click on upload files. After that, just go to public HTML and again go to .htaccess, and here you just have to paste this code. So don't worry, I will provide this code in video descriptions. And after that, just save and close. After that, just go to your websites and click on refresh. After that, you can see I have solved this error. So now our session variable of PHP will work. So thanks for watching, and please help me to get 1K subscriber.